Page number 18. Let's start. Okay. The peacock and the crane. We have to know that peacock is a very colorful and beautiful bird. Okay. But peacock cannot fly very high in the sky. Okay. This is the a little bit defeat of peacock bird. Okay. He cannot fly very high. But one more thing that we have to know about crane bird. Okay. Crane, this is a bird who doesn't have beautiful feathers. Okay, you can see that in the picture which is in white color. Okay, but this bird can fly so much high. Okay, over the clouds. And we know that in this story there is a little bit conversation of crane and peacock. Okay, how peacock becomes a little bit proud, and that peacock used to laugh on crane because crane doesn't have beautiful feathers. Okay, and how that crane gives reply to peacock. Okay, means we should not be over proud of anything. We know that simplicity, this is the real beauty. Okay, this one thing we have to keep in our mind. We have to be always simple. We should not be overconfident and we can say over proud. Okay, is it clear what is the exactly theme of this story? So let's begin. Okay. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other birds. So when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at. It means laughed at rudely. Okay. Laughed at rudely and scornfully. Okay, at the crane's colorless and dull feathers, and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Okay, so this was the first paragraph of our short story, and you can see there at the beginning we can see there was once a very conceited means over proud, arrogant. Okay, we can say arrogant. There was a peacock who was very arrogant because it has gorgeous tail, and we have to know that only peacock is a bird who has colorful feathers and long tail. Okay, and that's why peacock was very proud on itself. Okay, and what happened one day that peacock met to a crane. This is another bird which looks white. Okay, colorless feathers. Okay, who has colorless feathers, and when peacock used to meet crane bird, at that time peacock laugh at crane because crane don't have colorful feathers. Okay, crane has only colorless. Okay, colorless means just white. Okay, and dull feathers means there are no any beauty on the or there are no any texture on the feather of crane bird. Okay, and that was the main reason peacock used to laugh on crane bird, because crane doesn't have colorful feathers, or we can say that long tails. Okay, and what happened same time when peacock met to crane bird, at that time peacock used to laugh at crane, and immediately peacock spread his colorful tail. Okay, and he just want to show that crane bird how peacock is look beautiful. Okay, is it clear? First paragraph. Students, okay, so simple thing we have to keep in our mind. Which one? In this story there are two characters. Okay, two birds. One bird is peacock and second bird is crane. Okay, when peacock and crane met to each other, at that time We know that the nature of peacock is over proud. Peacock is very proud on itself because he has beautiful feathers. Okay, because of that beautiful feather, colorful feather, peacock was over proud. But same time, we have to know that one another bird, that is crane, who has colorless and dull feathers. There are no beauty in the feather of crane bird. And when peacock and that crane bird met to each other, at that time peacock spread his colorful tails, and he just want to show how peacock is beautiful. Only this thing peacock want to show there. Okay, and we know that when we are over proud, we know that it's not a good thing. Okay, so second thing we have to know there, peacock just want to admire. Okay, because peacock just thinking, if I show my beauty, then definitely Kiran will that crane will admire peacock. But these all things are not happening there. Okay, so next thing, look at my feathers, he boasted. Okay, he boasted means he speak out how they shine in all the colors of the rainbow while you are so pale. I am dressed like a king. Okay, when that peacock used to spread his colorful tail, and we know that the feathers of peacock bird are very beautiful. There are so many colors like a rainbow, 7 colors. Okay, so at same time when that colorful tail and feathers are spread by peacock, at that time that peacock used to say, look at my feathers, how they shine in all colors of rainbow while you are so pale and I am dressed like a king. Okay, so by this line we have to know that the peacock just want to show his beautiness to the crane. But same time peacock was a little bit insulting to crane, because when he was talking about his own feathers, same time he was commenting on the crane's feathers. Okay, and he said that the feathers of crane bird are so pale. Pale it means that are faint in color. Okay, there is no any beauty, it means pale. Is it clear? So after that, peacock used to say about itself as a king because of beautiful and colorful feathers. Okay, when we look at that beautiful bird, okay, we know that peacock is very beautiful bird. Okay, and but when we give our concentration on this topic, on this conversation, then definitely simple thing we realize that the peacock is over proud, and in that over proud he used to insult crane bird. Okay, and he called himself as a king because of the beautiful feathers. Is it clear how that feathers are shining? And he said that the feathers of peacock bird are like a rainbow. There are so many colors, colorful feathers are there. Okay, and this conversation only shows one thing. Okay, peacock is over proud or arrogant about the beauty of its feather. Is it clear? That's true, the crane answered, but I can fly high above among the clouds and stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. Fine feather doesn't make fine birds. Okay, so this is the last paragraph of our story, and we know that the reply given by crane bird, this is a very impressive and perfect reply, because by this reply crane just want to show the peacock what is the reality? Okay, we know that there is no perfect human being, or there is no one perfect in the world. Okay, there is a little bit lack, there is little bit less in each and every person, each and everything. So same thing we have to mention here. Okay, when that peacock used to say to the crane bird, okay, how the feathers are beautiful of itself, and it looks like a king because of that colorful feathers, rainbow colored feathers. Okay, and same time the crane gives reply. Okay, crane said there, he says, it is true, peacock has beautiful feathers, colorful feathers, beautiful feathers, but peacock can't fly high among the clouds. Okay, this is the reality. And same thing crane want to show him. This is the little bit lack of quality in the peacock. Peacock can't fly high like any other birds. Okay, and we know that crane flies high, very above among the clouds and the stars also. Crane bird can see the whole beauty of our earth. Okay, whole beauty of the world and the glory. Glory means beautiness. And while the peacock bird used to live on the earth like any other cocks, any other cock. Is it clear? So by this paragraph, we have to know only one thing, and that one thing is there. We have to know cock is cock means here cock word is used for the birds, okay, which are in the category of cock, hen, peacock. Okay, these are the same category of birds. Okay, and one more thing, the conversation between peacock and crane, and lastly crane used to give a reply. Okay, the quality having crane bird, that quality doesn't have in peacock bird, because peacock is beautiful but it cannot fly high above among the clouds, and he cannot see the beauty of earth by flying above the clouds, among the clouds, so much high. Okay, the real beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. This is a very famous proverb that we have to know. And lastly, the crane bird used to say only one thing: peacock is just a common bird who can't fly, who used to live on the earth. And lastly, one line is given: the fine feather don't make fine birds. Okay, it means if we are having something good, it means we are good. No, suppose any person who is wearing very colorful and beautiful dresses, okay, for example, so can we say that person is good person? Definitely no. Okay, by our clothes, by our feathers, okay, by our or show off things, no one can decide we are the good persons. Okay, that quality we have to make by ourselves in us. Okay, so last thing that we have to know, fine feathers don't make fine bird. This is the proverb, and the meaning of this proverb is good looks. Okay, good looks or flashy clothes may not be really important or impressive. Okay, means what we are wearing or the looks of our ours are not much important. Okay, the qualities are most important. Is it clear? Is there any question to anyone? Students? No doubt. Okay, no problem. So, once again, we will just give a little bit summary of this lesson. Okay. Okay, good. So first thing we have to know, there are two characters in this story. First one is peacock, second one is crane. Okay, and we have to know that peacock, this bird is very gorgeous bird with beautiful tails and colorful feathers. Okay, and we know that the crane bird doesn't have colorful feathers. Okay, he is just like a common colorless feathers are there. And we have to know that in this story there is a conversation of peacock bird and crane bird. Okay, when peacock met to crane, at that time peacock used to laugh at crane bird because crane bird doesn't have beautiful feathers. Okay, there are pale and colorless feathers of crane bird, and that's why peacock used to laugh at him. And one more thing we have to know, that when they meet same time, peacock used to spread his colorful tail and used to spread the feathers to show the beauty of itself. Okay, and after that peacock used to say to the crane bird, the feathers of itself are very colorful like a rainbow, and the feathers of crane are so much pale, they are not shining. And same time peacock used to say, peacock looks like a king when he used to spread that feathers. Okay, and we know that the nature of peacock bird is a little bit over proud. Okay, and we have to know that this is a bad quality of anyone. And lastly, when these all things are spoken or boosted by that peacock bird, same time the crane bird used to give the reply to the peacock, and he says, I know that your feathers are so much beautiful, but one thing you have to know, that you can't fly like me among the clouds. You cannot see the beauty of this earth, and you are like just a common cock which used to live on the earth. Okay, and lastly, one proverb is given there, fine feather don't make fine bird. Okay, this is the proverb, and the meaning of this proverb is, good looks may not be really important. Okay, how you looks, it's not important, what you do, that is the important. Okay, हम कैसे दिखते हैं ये important नहीं है, हम क्या अच्छा काम करते हैं वो सबसे important है. Is it clear, students? Is there any question to anyone? Okay. We have to know that you have to write only first and second question. Okay, this one and two, from 3 to last one, all questions are removed from your syllabus. Okay, read the following sentences carefully and choose the correct meaning. Okay, what is the first? The peacock had gorgeous tail like no other birds. Which is the correct option? You have to mention there. The correct answer is peacock's tail. Okay, third one. We will use this one. Peacock's tail was more beautiful than any other bird. Okay, this is the correct answer. You can make there. B, fine feathers don't make fine birds. Just before 2 minutes I told you. Okay, sometimes that looks beautiful may not really useful. This is the answer of this question. And second is, read the story aloud or present it in a groups of 3, the narrator, the speaker, and the crane. Okay, we have to read this story only. Is it clear? Only that things And one more thing, you have to write a speech about okay, or you have to write the information about peacock bird. Okay, just collect the information about peacock and you have to write in your notebook. Is it clear to everyone? Someone want to ask questions or no? Only 2 questions you have to write. Okay, this also you have to write. Second question. Okay, we have to present the story, the narrator, the narrator, the peacock and the crane. Okay, in this matter. Okay, and after that you have to write essay. Okay, short information about peacock bird. Okay, peacock bird and crane bird. Okay, just collect the photos from internet or anywhere. Okay, or you can draw that pictures. Okay, in your notebook by using some colors. Draw a picture of a peacock and write nearby 7, 8 or 10 lines about peacock bird and some lines about crane. Okay, with the help of internet you can get so much information. Okay, so is there any question? In homework you have to write only that things.